In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Adobe Acrobat Pro, the full version, completely free. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. We'll make it as simple and as straightforward as possible. First things first, you're going to need to open up your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you prefer. Once that's open, simply type Adobe Acrobat into the search bar and hit enter. This will pull up a list of search results. Generally, the official Adobe site is going to be your top entry, so go ahead and click on that first link. Now that you've landed on the Adobe Acrobat Pro page, click this, take a look around, say. You'll notice there's an option for a free trial, which is actually what we're interested in today. So look for the button or link that says Start Free Trial. It should be pretty prominent on the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a new page that outlines the features included in the trial. Once you're there, you'll see that Adobe offers a 7-day free trial for Acrobat Pro. Yes, you heard that right. A whole week to test out all the full features without any obligation. You'll need to hit Continue to move forward in the process. But before you do, it's worthwhile to understand what you're getting. During this trial, you'll have access to all the premium features, so it's a perfect opportunity to decide whether or not this software truly meets your needs. The next step will involve entering your card details to create an account. This is pretty standard for any free trial you might come across, as it seamlessly transitions into a subscription if you decide to keep it. Rest assured that you won't be charged during the trial period, as long as you cancel in time. Be sure to read any prompts or small print that pops up just so you're fully informed. Now, you have an option to enhance your experience by downloading Adobe Creative Cloud. If you choose to use Acrobat with the Creative Cloud app, you can simply search for Adobe Creative Cloud in your browser and proceed to download the application. It's a great centralized hub for managing all your Adobe products and can make accessing Acrobat Pro even easier. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. If you follow these steps, you can enjoy the powerful capabilities of Adobe Acrobat Pro at no cost for the next 7 days. Don't forget to mark your calendar if you need to cancel the trial before it wraps up, so that you're not caught by surprise. Enjoy testing out the software, and thanks for watching.